of the trailer. Site specifically with a large farmer and contractor in mind, looking for the choice of two-seater, but combining the evidently Armstrong shifter with a two-seater. The trailer is available with either a Maxicut HC13 rotor or a Maxicut HC25 rotor. The latter can deliver a consistent top length of 40mm, market-leading top quality, developed for our 900 series baler, the F440R. Also features the unique parallel kinetic drop floor, which covers the full width of the feed auger and rotor. This drop floor provides a consistent 40mm of space below on the entire drop floor, eliminating narrow pinch points like front hinge drop floors have. The F440R features a roller crop compressor to improve crop flow in the largest of windrows and optional caster action gauge wheels to improve ground following in undulating fields. The are critical factors which have not been compromised. The F440R comes with a choice of monitor options to enable baler control from the cab. Our new implement display 1100 display, which a full colour screen allowing all the required parameters to the full colour screen set with ease. In addition, if the baler is available, I are already a Greenside user, this Isoplus trailer will also incorporate the 2600 and the 2660 Also on this trailer for 2015 we have automatic and automated large rotation 1945 as well. Unlike some other trailers on the market, the rise of the 440R is uncompromising into the twin axle, especially in wetter conditions such as today. It hardly matters round shore.